All right, guys. What we've got going here, since we haven't explained it too well, this is a barn that we're building, and it's a 2-in-1 barn. It's going to be 2/3 of it's going to be for the pigs, and the other third's going to be for the chickens. So the pigs are going to walk in, and this is going to be their warm sleeping spot over here. This was the pig's door here. This is the chicken's door, and we're going to go in here. This is going to be the chicken coop right here with all their boxes for the eggs. So Patty's going to order the electric fence, and she's going to get that set up. It's going to go through the perimeter of the property here, so pigs and chickens will be together in one area under electric fence. So what we got on this here, I've got 10 posts that are cemented in the ground. Okay, I've got 10, and my dimensions are I'm 12 by 12 by 12 by 12. Everything's in the ground about 1.5 feet. I've got it to where a 6-foot person can walk into the barn, so it's just right at that level. So I got 8-foot boards and 2 feet in, or 1.5 feet in the ground, so we'll do the math on that. I gave them a full day for the cement to dry. We leveled them out, got them all nice and straight. Got that taken care of. We had some bad weather, some rain. So after the cement settled, we went ahead and put the roof joists in. Okay, the trusses in on top. Kind of help stabilize the beams. Plus, it gives the line for where the tin roof is going to go. I got a few more trusses to put in, supports, and once those are in, we'll be ready for the tin roof. The flooring I'm using 2x4s, and I've got about an 1/8-inch gap because there's pigs. It's going to be messy, so I want to be able to come in here and hose it off and do what I can do to keep it semi-clean, and whatever's here will fall in between the cracks and kind of run off. The way I have it set is I've got the whole barn kind of sloping down and sloping out. There's 2 slopes. That way everything, even the rain, the mud, whatever it is, can easily wash down this way. And plus, because I built this barn on the side of our house here, it's a little uneven. So the issue I was going to have was the pigs getting into the barn without having a problem, because I know pigs can't jump. So I made the slope a little bit lower so that I could build a ramp here for the pigs, and we'll get that taken care of last. Again, I put in more wall supports on the back side to tie in these 2, and to tie in those 2, and to tie in those 2, and tie in those 2, and the 2 in the middle. This is going to keep everything nice and straight, nice and strong right here, so it doesn't shift and move. I had to cut them on little special cuts here, so they'll go under the board, but yet on top flush here for a nice roof, the aluminum roof that goes on top here. And then the chicken wire. Okay, I got the chicken wire already in place everywhere it's going to be in. So what we did is we got 36-inch, and we lined it twice. So we got 36 and then 36, and we tightened it up. We tightened them on the ends, and then we got our real nice kind of like farm paneling boards going across. So this front area here is open, like like a horse fence, cattle fence, and that back side's going to be open like that. Just give some ventilation. The back area here, the whole back side is going to be solid wall. This is going to be a solid wall. I'm going to have this wall here separating the pigs and the chickens is going to be like the front there. It's going to have 1x6 slats, here, and then every 10 inches another one all the way up here. I will be putting lights in right here, a nice LED row of lights. It'll get both pins at night. So like I said, solid. We're going to build a box out this way, so that Patty can come out, lift the box, grab the eggs, and be on her way without having to go in there. But there will be a door here for the chickens, and there will be a door there for the pigs. Chicken wire is kind of hard to work with because it's not really rolled straight from the factory, so you gotta kind of straighten it out. You got to work with it. And then when the two pieces meet, you kind of want to tie them or zip tie them, kind of like what we did. And you can go up a couple notches, pull the zip tie, and that'll pull the fencing real nice and tight. So it takes a little bit of work, but a little bit of ingenuity, a little bit of you know, this and that. It'll work out fine. All right. So today we're going to finish off paneling the separation between the pigs and the chickens on both sides, and start on the next flooring level, and that'll be the project for today. So that's where we're at now. We're fighting cold weather. This is getting kind of hard, but we're doing what we can, 2 or 3 hours a day, and that's it.